Thank you. So, hello everyone. So for today, we are going to discuss the fourth topic that I have listed out. If time permits, we'll go ahead for the next topic. The first topic that we are going to discuss is that called flow control. We already have covered one part of the flow control yesterday. Followed with that, we are going to discuss the class, packages, and constructors. Okay. Now, as per this diagram, I'm closing my chat. Okay. So as per this diagram, if you see, yesterday we have covered the if-else condition, and now we want to cover the switch. So this is the if-else condition that we covered yesterday, and now we are planning to understand the switch. Prior to that, I have some PPT to open. I just wanted to have quick knowledge check whatever we have learned so far. Okay. So yesterday we already know the typecasting and what is the difference between wide casting and narrow casting. So wait for a second. Okay, so now I'm opening chat. Okay, I want everyone to give me the answer. Just wait a moment. Okay, now here your first questions. I'm putting on full screen now. Okay, so just confirm what is the size of the long variable. Please confirm your answer on chat. Okay, 32 not possible, right? 64 bit. Everyone, please. Okay, so most of them are correct only, 64 bits. Okay, yeah. So answer is 64 bits. Next question, what is the default value of a string in Java? Please understand, this we have not learned till now, okay? But anyway, I will just trying to give you the answer. Everyone is giving null, no idea. I know, no idea, that is correct. So we'll going to learn into the string when we are going to learn a string. That time we are going to learn. But anyway, so just what is the default value, right? When we are not initializing value for any of the type like integer type, float type, double type, right? So the compiler is responsible to assign the default value for that. So for a string, for like integer, the default value is 0. For float, default value is 0.0, right? Same as for a string also, the default value is null. Okay, we will learn this one, don't worry. This came in between. Now, this we don't know, we ignoring now. Give me the 4 numbers, this answer. At least yesterday we understood something on the selection statement. Okay, everyone saying B, I mean if, correct. This one you should give me. Question number 5. Which of this is not a bitwise operator? We know bitwise operator, right? Which one is not a bitwise operator? Please type your answer quickly. Please type your answer quickly. Okay. So the option is D. Answer is D. Not. And is the bitwise, and equal to, not equal to. These are all comes under the bitwise operator. Where less than equal to is not the bitwise operators. That's all. Now coming to the PPT where we are going to learn our topic. Let me open. Okay, I'm closing the chat window now. We'll open when we require. So okay, switch statement. Switch statement is again one of the control flow statement only. In this statement, basically we are focusing like, see, in the if else condition, we have something like we need to make a decision, right? Either true or false, either true or false, right? Either present or not present. We have only two options. Out of two options, we are making the decision. That is called if else condition. Now here we have the one condition called switch statement. In that switch statement, what will happen? We will pass the condition. You see, right? Switch. We have the variable x. We will pass the value here in x, and if x matching with the case 1, case 2, case 3, this x will match either with the case 1, either with the case 2, either with the case 3, or possibility that this x will not match in either of any of the cases, right? If x value will match with the case 1, then it will perform the case 1 operation, whereas if x value is matched with the case 2, it will perform the case 2 operation. In similarly, if x is matched with the case 3, it will perform the action for the case 3 operation, and this sequence will go on. If the x value will not match with the any of the cases, either 1, 2, 3 or n, then the default value, whatever we will be having for default action, will be taken care. Now what is the x? We need to understand what is the x. Anyhow, we are going to code everything, but just for introduction. What is the x? So no, x is not the case. X is the variable. I'm not asking. Wait, don't ping. So x, what is the x? So x is the condition that or variable that we are passing inside the switch. Before Java 5, we can pass byte, sort, int, and char. We can pass byte, sort, int, and char for x. But after Java 5, we can pass byte, sort, int, char, and enum also. This is the enum. What is the enum? That we will learn. But now we understand that enum also we can pass it. What is the enum? That is the different thing. Okay. But in Java 7 also they have modified, and they said that whatever we are having in Java 5 plus string also we can pass. So from Java 7 onwards, we can pass byte, sort, int, char, enum, and string, right? So before Java 5 only we can pass till char. In Java 5 they have added enum, and after in Java 7 they have added string. So this is the final list. If they will ask what could be the possible value of x, we can say byte, sort, int, char, enum, and string. That's all. What is the x? How to pass the value? These are all is the different tasks. This is the enough understanding for the switch statement. Directly we are moving to the Eclipse because we need to ping. Because we need to code and code. Yes. Now let me create the project for today. Today we have day 4. Day 4. New package com dot. Let me see the other package name what I have given. Okay. New package com dot simply learn dot flow control. Now for flow control, switch new class switch example. Example should be renamed. Okay. Screen size will be little increased. And this is the max size. Which screen are you not able to see? Please confirm, are you able to see my screen or not? Let me open chat window. Wait. Are you able to see my screen window? Correctly, right? Clearly, right? The font size is correct. Because till now I have used the same font size, whatever we use. Okay. Okay, good. I'm closing the chat now. But what is saying? Let me see, one chat is coming. But during creating new package, it will get reduced. That you can ignore. That we don't have everything. That you ignore. I'm just only talking about this pages. That's all. Now let me have main method. We are going to learn switch, right? So for switch, what I'm doing is I'm saying int x equal to 10. Okay, and then switch x. Okay, sometimes it will come syso system dot out dot print ln. Okay, system dot out dot print ln. I don't want here now. Now what I'm trying to do is, first let me deal with the happy cases, right? So what I have did, I've just created variable x and then switch statement, and then inside the switch statement, what I'm saying, case 10. If case 10 syso I am 10 case. Okay, let me remove this line for now. Case 11 syso I am 11 case. Okay, so what will happen when I will try to execute this code? Okay, right click, run as. I will run from here on. I am 10, I am 11. So what is happening is, here int x equal to 10. Okay, x value is matching with this one, this 10. This 10 and this 10 equal, hence it is printing this one. After that, again it came to the case 11 and it printed this one, which is fine. Now what I will do here, case 9, I am saying syso I am 9 case. Now, if I will run this code, I could see only 10 and 11 is getting printed. 10 and 11. 9 did not come. 9 did not come. Question is why? Why? Because the rule of this case is that from where, rule of this case is that from where this x value is matched, from where you can understand in that way. I'm just commenting here like that, CASE case x, okay, and then colon. So 9 is nothing but the value of x, 10 is nothing but value of x, 11 is nothing but the value of x. Now x value I am providing as a 10. So here x is getting matched with this one. That's the reason it is printing. Here we are good. But the question is why it is printing 11 also even though it did not match. Because the case statement is saying that from where, from where, from where we match the value till end I am going to print it. From where I am going to match the value till end I am going to print. So for this x, it match with this 10. That's the reason it printed 10. Again, what are the case will come after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? It will going to print all. Assume that now I am writing here case 11, 12. 11 we already have, I am writing 12. Now output will be 10, 11, 12. Let me execute this code. 10, 11, 12. Now question might be you have why 9 is not getting printed, because this x value matched from here. Before 10 it was 9 and 9 is not equal to 10. Hence this condition is false. That's the reason this SOP is not getting printed, right? But for the case 10 it is getting printed and all the value after that it is getting printed also. Okay. Now what I am doing is that I'm just copying this case 9 again, okay, and what I will do here case 8, okay, and I'm just printing 8. Now what will happen, 8 will also not get printed because the matching start from the 10, 11, 12. So only 3 value is getting printed, 10, 11 and 12. Now I am executing this code, 10, 11 and 12. Now, if at all I will pass it here, instead of x equal to 10, I am passing x equal to 12. Okay. Now what will happen? X equal to 12. X equal to 8, no match. X equal to 9, no match. X equal to 10, no match. X equal to 11, no match. X equal to 12, match. Now it will going to print only this line, last line. Let me execute this code. If you see, it is printing this one only. Now I'm opening the chat and wait for a second. In this program, do you have any doubt? Please ping on chat. Are you clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Yes? No? Clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Can we use logic operation there? Clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Clear but repeat once. Okay. Clear? Not clear? Sir, please put case 9 after 12. Will do. Clear? It's 10 to infinity. Default condition. Okay. Okay. It's not match the default will print. Okay. So some of the people are ahead. Okay, which is fine. But I am going to explain this one again. Okay. Now closing this chat now. Wait. Closing this chat. Repeating again. So for the switch statement, what is the business is that behind the business? From where the condition is matched for this program only, for this program only. By default, all the below condition is going to execute it. Here, I am just passing x equal to 10. X equal to 10 is getting matched here. So after that, what are the cases coming? All is getting printed. All is getting printed. Now, why 8 and 9 is not getting printed? Because the x equal to 10 matched or start from here. If I will give x equal to 8 here, x equal to 8, okay, then it will print all the lines 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, executing again 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I am going to pass here 11, right, it will again going to print from here to here, only 11 and 12, 11 and 12, right. If I will pass here 13, if I will pass here 13, and we don't have anything 13, then it is not going to print anything to you. I just given x equal to 13, and 13 is not matched with any of the cases, hence it is not printing anything. Hence it is not printing anything. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am just putting here x equal to 10. Okay. You might be thinking that this case I am just going to cut it from here, and I am just putting like that. I can put it right. Before I can put the my code like that. First I have declared x value 10. Okay, x value 10 I have declared, and then case 10 I have kept on the top. Case 10 I have kept on the top. After that I have given 8, 9, 11, 12. Okay. Now if I will execute, it will print all the cases because the case x equal to 10 matched here itself on first point itself. So after that, what are the case will come, the execution is going to print it. After that, what are the case will come, execution is going to print it. So more about what we learned is the order. What we have learned is order matters. Though I have just kept x equal to 10 on top of that, after that 8, 9, 10, what are the case came, it just print it. If I will put this x equal to 10 into the correct way, not correct way means little systematic way, even though that was also correct. If I will put it here, okay, if I will put it here, now from here it will print. So order matters from where it matched and where it is going to end. Now if I will run this code, it will only going to print me 10, 11, 12 because x value is 10 only. Okay. Now opening chat again, and if you have any question, please ask. We will have more discussion on that. I'm only asking about this concept, no extra, nothing. I'm only asking about this concept. Are you clear or not? Are you clear or not? Only this concept. Only this concept. Only this concept. Clear or not clear? Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Everyone, please, everyone. Where this code will be used? Wait, wait. Still, I have not completed this one. Clear, okay. Few questions came. I'm just copying the questions. He's asking print without case 10 means print without case 10. You mean to say I will comment this one? Nothing will happen, right? See, if I will not, if any of the statement is not matched, which means that there is nothing. It is not going to print anything, right? See, if I am running this one, this code, and I have commented 10, it is not going to print, right? So clear, right? I am uncommenting this one. So I'm hoping everyone is clear on only this concept. I'm not going to ask something important. Okay. Now let me create one text file. Okay. Okay. Here I am going to type few questions. You need to provide me the answer once I will tell you. Okay. Byte B equal to 10. Switch B, this one. Please tell me output. Your answer should be error or no error. Please type on chat error, no error, 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 error, no error. Okay. Just copying this code, coming to the IDE, printing it here. If I will execute this code, it will give no error. You see, no error. Because what is happening is, I am saying byte B equal to 10, no problem here. I am passing B value here, means I am expecting if any case match with the 10, then I am going to execute. But intentionally in switch case, I am not writing any case, means I don't want to do anything. But I have simply created the switch. That's the reason no error and no output also. Okay. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Case is missing. Yeah, correct. Case is not missing. I have intentionally missed. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Everyone, please. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. We'll move to the second question. These are all is your interview questions. Okay. Now, second question I am doing char ch equal to a, and then what I am doing, switch ch, and then here what I am doing, here I am not doing anything. Don't give answer now, otherwise I will confuse that for which question you are giving the answer. Okay. Now please provide me the answer of these questions. Please provide me the answer of these questions. No error. Any, I didn't understand any. Please write no error or yes error. This will also will not give you any error. Okay, you see, executing, no error. Okay, clear? Or now, okay, this semicolon and all those things you can ignore. Okay, I'm typing on the Notepad++. I might miss this one. Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, if you are considering that one, then you are good. Now, coming to the another long L equal to 10L, switch L Don't give answer now, please. Don't give answer now, please. Now, please give me the answer. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. Please give me error, no error, error, no error. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error. Okay, okay. Who are all saying no error, you are in flow. Okay. Who are saying error, you are not in flow. Now, what do you mean by flow and not flow? What actually I am doing is, I am just passing the long value here. Okay. And as just now I have discussed, right, the long value is not acceptable, right? We have only byte, short, int, char, enum, and string. And intentionally I was passing here long, which is not acceptable. It should give the error to you, right? If you hover your mouse here, you see, right? Please read the error message. Cannot switch on a value of type long, only convertible int value, string, enum value are permitted. Means long value are not permitted. Okay, clear? This one is important. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Okay, okay. So I'm commenting this code because this is the error code. That's how you can got trapped into the your interview. Okay, please listen very carefully. Next questions. This answer I need from everyone. Everyone correct answer. No one wrong answer. Okay. Question is Boolean L equal to true. Wait. Please give the answer of this one. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, simple. Error, no error, error, no error, simple. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. Everyone is saying error, which is correct, and someone have said no error. Let me explain you. Here I was trying to create the variable of Boolean types. Means I have created Boolean. VAL is the variable name. I have assigned the true. Means this is the Boolean variable, Boolean type variable I am trying to pass into the switch. And switch is not accepting Boolean anyway. You see, right? Switch is not accepting Boolean anyway. That is the reason it is giving the error. If I will copy this code and if I will come here, okay, it is giving the error. You see, I am hovering mouse again. Again, it is saying cannot switch to a value of type Boolean. Only convertible int value, string, or enum variable are permitted. Okay. Say clear, not clear, clear, not clear. This Boolean, only Boolean. Clear, not clear. This is how the question will ask in interview. What is enum? We will discuss. When enum will come, we'll discuss. Don't worry. Yes, we'll share it PPT to everyone. Clear, right? Okay. Now I am going to, what should I have to do? I am typing it here only, okay? One more program. byte b equal to 10, byte b equal to 10. 1 second. Oh, what is this? I got one question. Let me. What is, I mean, which short explanation do you need? For which one? For which one? Enum. Enum is a constant. For now you understand. Enum is something called constant. Enum is constant. That's all. We'll discuss enum. Enum is a very important thing. Okay. Enum is very important thing. Once we learn Java 5, we'll understand. Okay. Now I have declared one variable byte b equal to 10. Switch. I'm just passing b. Okay. Now I'm saying that case 10 equal to SYSO 10. Okay. Now case 100. I'm saying SYSO. I'm printing it here 100. Okay. Case 1000. I am printing here 1000. Okay. Let me comment this code. Okay. Okay. Now give me, wait. Don't give out. Wait. Okay. Now give me the answer. Error, no error, error, no error. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. Error, no error. As simple as it is. Error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. Okay. So someone said error. Answer is correct. Someone says no error. Answer is correct or not? So let me explain what I am trying to ask you. What I have did is I have created the variable called byte type, as simple as it is, and I have assigned the value 10. Then I have created one switch case where I am passing b. B means byte type. B means byte type. I have given case 10. Correct. Fine. Then I have given case 100, which is also fine. Now in case 1000, it is giving error. Reason is that the byte value, byte range, whatever the range is there for byte, in that byte range, 1000 is not coming. 1000 is for integer. And hence, I was asking them to do the byte operation, and here I am doing the integer operation. So what is happening is that, so even though compiler is trying to do the typecast for you, okay, compiler is trying to do something, JVM is doing to something, but this guy is telling that there might be a possibility of, what? Possibility of 5 liters of can, you are putting 10 liters of water. 5 liters of can, you are putting 10 liters of water, means wasting of water. Here, losing the data, you will lose your data. Like yesterday, right? We learn. If I will execute this code, it will say that duplicate. Okay, duplicate is fine. Okay, let me wait. Duplicate I will remove. Somewhere I have used B1. Let me run again. Okay, what is saying cannot convert from integer to byte. Why he is trying to convert from integer to byte? Because as per the JVM, 1000 comes for the integer range. That's the reason JVM is trying to convert, but it is not able to convert into the byte because it is seeing that the loss of data is happening. That's the reason it is not able to do. Okay. So one second. Now say clear, not clear, clear, not clear. As simple as it is. Clear, not clear, 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 clear, right? Now there is a small twist here. There is a small twist here. I am just commenting this code, otherwise you will got to know answer. I will uncomment again. Okay. Please see. This is the example of explicit typecasting. Explicit means we are doing, right? Implicit who did? Compiler did. Compiler is not able to do did. Explicit means if we have, okay, wait for few seconds, you will got your answer. You will get your answer in few seconds. Now please see my screen very clearly. Okay, I am going to make one twist here. Now byte b1 equal to 10. Byte b1 equal to 10. Byte b1 equal to 10. In switch case, I have passed b1. Here I am doing plus 1. Here I am doing plus 1. Please see line number 49. Line number 49. I am just saying I am doing b1 plus 1. I am only doing b1 plus 1. Okay. All the codes remain same. All the codes remain same. Now come to your chat box and just tell error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. Simple. Error, no error, error, no error. Simple. Error, no error. Okay, correct. So what is happening is here, I am explaining now. B1 is byte. In byte, I am trying to add the integer. In byte, I am trying to add the integer. Just think about the typecasting yesterday. Simply, here only. Please think about the typecasting. In byte, I am adding the integer, right? This one will not come might be the, into the byte range. But what will happen? It will lose your data. But here, I don't, still if I will lose the data, I don't have any problem. I wanted to write it. If I will lose, I really don't have problem because I am not calculating anything on B1. I am not calculating anything on B1. So definitely no error, which is fine. But what is the output? What is the output? What is the output? B1 is the byte, 1 is the number. I cannot add byte into the number. Byte plus integer. I cannot do byte plus integer. But we also learn, we know something called implicit type casting. Means if I am trying to add byte into the integer, this all becomes integer only. So if I will run this code, I will not get any error, neither I am getting any output. But if at all I will put it here 11, okay, and if I will execute this one, you see I am able to get the output. So what magic happen here is that byte plus integer equal to integer. Why? Because of why? Because of implicit typecasting. So now this b1 becomes integer. this B1 is not the byte no more. Okay, that is the reason 10 plus 1 11 and it matched with the 11 and it printed the 11. This clear or not? Clear or not? This is clear or not? Clear or not? Repeating again, meanwhile, I will take your questions. Till here, line number 48 is byte. 49 when it came, byte plus integer. Byte plus integer I am trying to do. Now compiler came into the picture and they do typecasting for me. Which typecasting? Implicit typecasting. Automatically they did. And then byte plus integer equal to integer they made it. And all the remaining case they converted into the integer automatically. That is the reason 10 plus 1 11 it match with this one. Now it becomes integer and all the cases is getting printed successfully. Right? Why int means why not byte? Because integer is bigger than byte, right? Implicit typecasting. Byte value can store inside the integer, but integer value cannot store inside the byte. If you will store integer value inside the byte, loss of data. 10 cans of water, I can store 5 can. I sorry, 10 a can which has the capacity of 10 liter, I can store the 5 liters water, no problem. Right? But in 5 liters of can, I cannot store 10 liters of water. I may lose the water, right? This is called implicit typecasting. So byte plus integer, the byte got converted into the integer because integer is bigger, as simple as it is. Now I am taking the questions from the chat window. Let me copy this question. However, I did not understand, but how it's print all the statements. How means you are asking why it is printing 100 and 1000. This is the rule of case. From where I think you missed the first part. From where we are matching, till end we are going to print as per the case. From where we are, if I will pass it here, 99, right? 99. 99 plus 1 becomes 100. If I will execute this one, I will get only 100 and 1000. 11 is missing because my case is matched from here. So it is printing 100 and then my case is matched from 1000. Hence it is printing 1000. Clear? Clear? Please say triple eight. Please say triple eight. Your question was this one. Okay. Sir, if we, okay. This one more question came. Sir, if we type any number, by default, it is int type. Yes. I mean, if you, I didn't understand what do you mean by default. Here it is acting as an integer. It is not acting as a long. I did not understand what do you mean by default, but here it is acting as an integer. If you will do something like that, 1 second, if you do byte b2 equal to 1, which means it is byte. If you do byte, if you do long L1 equal to 1L. Here this is long. Here this is long. Hope you clear it. Okay. Third question, many of concept were not clear. 1 second, what is this question? I did not get. Chat is very small. It is moving very fast. Many of concept were not as clear as it is getting now. Okay. Oh, this is not the question. Thank you. Okay. Now one more question. 1 second. Copy. Sir, I am still confused. Why? What convert SGT? I didn't understand. Why SGT convert int if we add 1 into the byte? I did not get these questions. Please say what is this as get? I didn't get. So, but anyway, what I think what you are trying to ask is that here I have added plus one, or let me say we added 1 into the byte. If you add 1 into the byte, 1 is the integer by default. See, plus if you do right, plus 1, it will becomes integer only. If you add in long also, right, long 1L plus 1, your 1 is integer only. So it will, if you do something like that long, okay, and now it means that long plus integer, output is long because long is the bigger. Implicit typecasting happen here. Same way, if you do here byte plus 1, now what you are doing is byte plus integer. By default, this one becomes as integer only anyway. But if you explicitly define like here, then it will typecast. Then it will become switch types you are telling. Now, it will say that clear, right? This one you are clear, right? Say yes, no, yes, no. Please say yes, no. Clear, right? Until unless you are not defining like that, your 1 is integer only. If you are defining byte b2 equal to 1, which means 1 is now your byte. Okay, good. Now, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Still in case only, okay? We have many things to learn. Don't worry. You are now the host of this training session. Okay. I was host earlier also. Let me see some pop-up cam. Let me see what happened. I'm audible, no? Please confirm. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay, yeah. Thank you. No problem. Now, int I1 equal to 10. Okay. Switch I1 plus 1. Okay, I1 plus 1. Case 10 SYSO 10. Now, case 10 plus 20 SYSO. I'm saying 10 plus 20. Okay. Now tell me the output of this one. Output is what? Please tell me output. Please tell me the output. Please tell me the output. Output, output, no output, no output, no output. Error. Error is not acceptable. How can it will be error? There is no way that it is error. How can we 10 plus 20? No possible. Correct answer is not no output. Very clear. See, if I am asking, it doesn't mean that I will give you something else. See, very clear. Just debug with me. Just debug with me. I have created one variable int type I1 equal to 10. Okay, I1 equal to 10. 1 second. I1 equal to 10. Correct? Now I have increasing I1. I1 is the integer. Integer plus integer, integer only. No confusion here. 10 plus 1, 11. No confusion here, right? No confusion here, 11. We are good. Now this 11 did not match with the case 10. Did not match with the case 10. Because this is the 11 and this is the 10. No match. It did not print this one. Coming to the case 2. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is not equal to 11. No match. That's the reason it will not print anything. If I will run this code, note, okay, let me do one thing. SYSO, because I am writing everything same places. So, tick, okay. You see, after this star, no output, no output. Clear? So, please tell me only this example, no here and there, only this example have you understand or not? Only this example, yes, no, yes, no. Then I will move further. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, no. Only no 9 and then. Just I am asking this example. No 9 then. Only this example. No 9 and then. Wait. Clear, right? Everyone is clear. No 9. Okay. Now, what I am doing is that everyone is clear. Now I am just changing the 10 value. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 30 means 29. Now 29 I am passing it here. 29 I am passing it here. 29 plus 1 is 30. 29 plus 1 is 30. 30 is not matching with this one, but 30 is matching with this one. Tell me the output. Tell me the output. Quick, tell me the output. 10 plus 20. Wow. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20. Okay? Good. Now what I am doing is that instead of 29, I am just passing it here 9. I am just passing it here 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is matching with this one. It will print first line and then second line also it will print. So answer is 10, 10 plus 20, 10, 10 plus 20, 10, 10 plus 20, 10, 10 plus 20. Clear? Clear, not clear, clear, not clear? I will ask one question. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. I have one question to ask. Clear, not clear, 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 clear. Okay. Not clear. Repeating again. I1 equal to 9, which is the integer type. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Integer type, no problem. 10 match with the line number 79. It print the 10. According to case, switch case, from where the value is getting matched, all the below value is also getting printed no matter condition is true or false. So this condition is true, hence it is printing this one. And after that, what are the values coming? What are the values coming? It is printing all. Assume that if I will copy this one, okay, if I will copy this one, and if I will paste, and if I will say 10 plus 1 equal to 21, and if I will say here 21, and if I will execute this code, please tell me the output. 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 Output, please. Everyone, 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 please. Yes. Output will be a 10, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 21. Let me execute this code. 10, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 21. Everyone is clear. Everyone is clear. Good. Now my question is that 10 plus 20 equal to 30 and 10 plus 21 equal to 31. But the output is getting printed 10 plus 20 instead of 30. Output is getting printed 10 plus 21 instead of 31. Question is why? Why? Give me the answer. Why? Why? Everyone please, why? Everyone please. Because it is a string, not an integer. It took as a text. Nothing is called text. String. A string cannot convert to int. Okay, okay. So what is happening is that no matter whatever I can write into the double within a double quotation, this becomes as a string only. So if I will remove this one double quotation, this becomes integer. Okay, but if I will put the inside the double quotation, it will become the string. If I will remove this one, wait, and if I will remove this one from here, and now I will execute, it will give you the 20 plus 10, 30, 31, 10, 30, 31, 10, 30, 31, 10, 30, 31, 10, 30, 31. Okay, 10, 30, 31. Earlier, if I will put into the double quotation, it becomes the string. That's the reason no calculation happen. That is the reason no calculation happen. Clear? What do you mean by how? What do you mean by how? Please clear. Say what is how? How means? It is in double quote. It is in double quote. That's the reason it is string. If I will remove the double quote, it becomes integer. That's simple as it is. As simple as it is. Okay, good. So you are good now. Now coming to the again here. Now coming to the next questions here. I am saying int. Okay, let me copy this one. No, I will write again. Int x equal to 10. Okay. Switch x, and then I am writing it here case 01. I am just printing 01, and then I am writing case 02, and I am printing 02. Okay, now I am writing case 01, and I am printing here printing 1, and here I am writing case 02. Okay, case 02, and here I am printing TWO, and now I am writing case 10, and I am printing 10. Okay, that's all. Hope you are able to see entire screen. Okay, this print means system.out.println. This print means system.out.println. I want output equal to what? Please give me the output. 10 error, 10 error, exception, duplicate, value not allowed, this, that. Error 10, error 10, error 10. Okay, good. Let me explain you what is happening here. So int x equal to 10, x came to the here. Okay, trying to match with 0, 1, no matching, hence no problem. came here, no match, no problem. Came here and it found that case 1 is already there and here is also case 1 is there. So line number 42 itself, it will throw the error saying that why can you give the duplicate case? You cannot give the duplicate case. And then from here it is stopped so that it will not go any other line itself. Though line 40 number 44 is also duplicate, but he got the mistakes here compiler, so compiler is stop execution for others. Compiler is stop execution for others. If I will copy this code, okay, and if I will come here, okay, X is the duplicate might be, X1 is the correct one. Now, if you see, just I am hovering mouse here. You see, right? Duplicate case. Are you able to see? Duplicate case. Duplicate case. Here also, duplicate case. Here also, duplicate case. Okay? So, duplicate cases are not allowed in switch. Duplicate cases are not allowed in switch. Clear, not clear? Please stay clear, not clear. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Clear, clear, everyone is clear. So I am commenting this code. Okay. So far what we have learned, from where the condition is matching, all the below cases is also getting printed. Case should not be duplicate. Case whatever we are writing it here, it should be comes under the described format only, like byte, short, int, character, enum, and string only. No long, no boolean. Okay. Now coming to the another one. Now I'm closing this one. Right click, new class. But before that, I wanted to ask you where this switch statement is will use in real time. This is important, right? We learn switch, we learn everything about switch, but we don't know where to use. Then what will the problem, right? So this is the things what I will do. I'm just trying to explain you here. So what will happen? You are doing some lucky draw. You are playing some lucky draw game. Lucky draw. You are building one lucky draw application, right? You are building one lucky draw application. So whoever will got number as a 99, you are giving the price to him 99 rupees. Okay, you are giving 99 rupees price. Okay, whoever will get 100, you are giving 100 price. Or who will be giving one, some like, right, number matching, right? In that case you can just create the switch case here. You can create the switch case here and you just pass the value x value, and for 1 you passing you have 1 crore. For 2, if you got 2 you will get 2 crore. If you got 3 you got 3 crore. 4 4 crore. Like that scenario, this kinds of scenario you can develop using switch cases. Clear? Where to use? Where to use? Another thing is that yesterday we have learned the if else condition. If else condition is will tell you the two possibility, true and false. But here you can have the multiple things also. Assume that you are in a class. You are in a class. You are in a class or you are in a college. You are in a college. Okay. In college, you know, right? There is a multiple branches. Multiple branches, right? CS, electronics, many things, right? So what you have did, you have something random thing that you are doing every week, right? Like okay, in this week CS has to do this task. Next week, electronics guy has to do this task, or next week some other branches guy has to do this task, some ABCD task. Now you want to make this as a random, like I will only give the branch name as a input, and what task defined for the CS, that will comes as a output, that will comes as a output. If I will give branch as a out input like CS, then task should come for all CS student today half holiday. Good, right? Today half holiday. You are just doing some lucky draw kinds of thing. So you have defined this task into the switch case, and you just ask your HOD to give the branch name, right? For assume that for EC you are saying that this is for CS, this is for CS. For EC you are telling something like that. For all EC student today need to complete assignment. Okay. Sometimes something like this kinds of task you are doing randomly. You are asking your HOD to give the branch name. So if HOD will give randomly the branch name as a CS, this task will get populated, right? If your HOD will give here as a EC, this task will get populated, right? This types of scenario, if you want to develop, you can go for the switch cases. Clear, not clear? Clear, not clear? Clear, clear, not clear? Clear. See, if else you can do only two tasks. Yes, no. But you cannot incorporate everything. If you try, you see, similar thing also you can try with the switch case, but if else condition. But your if else condition becomes very high, very big line of, and this is straightforward. It will just simple code. If else will be a big. I am not saying that you cannot achieve. You will achieve, but for that you need to write some extra lines of code. But the same thing you are achieving through the small lines of code. Why don't we go with the smaller one? Okay. Now, new class switch example with break. Now, what I'm trying to do, int x equal to 10, switch x case 10. This is system. I'm printing it here 10. Case 11. I'm printing it here 11. Case 100. I'm printing it here 100. Right? So if we will execute this code, let me ask you only. Give me the output for this one. Give me the output, please. Okay, all three. You are now the host of this training. Why it is getting populated? I don't know. But anyway. Okay, everyone is correct only. If I will execute this one, I will get 10, 11, 100. Let me execute. 10, 11, 100. Okay. Let me check. Here is some error. It will disturb throughout the execution. This file, there is error. Yeah, it is giving 10, 11, 100. Here nothing is there, no special. Okay. So what happened is that this 10 matched with this case and it print 10. And as per the case rule, whatever comes after the 10, it is printing everything. No problem till now. Now my ask is that for which it is, it is mapped, that only I wanted to print. I don't want any other things to be printed. I don't want any other thing to be printed. So for that I am writing break. If I will put break here, what will happen? This X match with this 10, it will print 10 for me. After that it is not going to print me 11 and 100. If I will execute this code, I will getting only 10 because I am just breaking it here. Same, if I will pass it here 11, if I will pass it here 11, this 11 is not equal to 10, okay, then that is fine. It will not come inside this one anyway. Now it will come here 11. It match, it print 11. It will print 11. Then no break. It will go to the next. It saw the 100. It will print 100. Output will be 11 and 100. 11 and 100. But the same thing, if I will copy this break statement here, and if I will paste it here, what it will do? It will simply only print the 11 for me, not going to print the 100 for me. If I will execute now, it is printing 11 for me. Same way, if I will print break here also, and here I will change X value as a 100, and now if I will execute this code, it is only going to print me the 100. So break means where the condition meet, where the condition match, that is only going to print. After that, I don't want anything to print. I don't want anything to print. Clear? Not clear? Say yes, no. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Okay, good. So this was the break. Break is easy one. Okay. What you are saying? Remove the break at 10. Okay, I have removed it. Okay, and add 11. 11. Okay, add 11. Tell me the output. You people only have to give me the output. Here I have made x equal to 11. That's all. Give me the output, please. Give me the output, please. Output, please, everyone. Everyone. Who given 11 and 100? 11 and 100, how can you give that? Everyone is break, right? It match the case, it will come out. Output is only 11. Why 11 and 100? Why 11 and 100? Satyam Subham. Why 11 and 100? Why need break after 100? I mean, it's my wish. I wanted to give, that's why I have given. That's all. See, 11 only. If we will use break, then why we are writing more cases? See, break, okay, good question. But anyway, I'm just copying your questions. I think you came from the C, C++. That's the reason you're asking these things. This is the C and C++ is different, okay? Now, he's asking that if we can use break, then why we are writing more cases? Break means not we are terminating the entire execution, right? Possibility that if I will giving here break, break means I am interested to execute only matching cases. Break means I am interested to execute only matching cases. If I am giving 11 here, so it will execute only this 11. Output it will give 11. It will not give me the 100. Earlier it was giving 100, right? Because without break, if I will remove break from here, it was giving the output as a only all, right? But now after break, I am very sure that whoever will match, for that only I will get the output. Whoever will match, I will get output for that only. That's the reason I am introducing break here. Break means not that terminating the entire execution. No, that is not. That is the different thing. Okay, break means I want matching case only. Matching case. If it match with the 10, if I will give the 10 here, if it match with 10, then this line is only going to execute. This will not going to execute 11 and 100. Please tell clear, not clear, clear, not clear. This one. Please say clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Okay. Now, coming to the next statement, next thing, switch example with default. Switch example with default. Here what we are trying to understand, I'm saying int x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Switch x. Case 1. 1. Case 2. 2. Case 10. 10. Default I am default. Okay. Now this statement what it is doing is x equal to 10. Fine, integer type, no problem. Now x equal to 10, no problem. It came into the switch. Okay, it came into the switch. Fine. Case 1 did not match, so it is not going to print 1. Case 2 did not match, not going to print. Case 10, it match and it is going to print the 10, right? Till here we are good. It is going to print only 10 because the matching will happen from here. Everything is without break. I don't want to disturb, okay? I want to go to the continuous flow without break, okay? Now it is going to print the 10. Now what this default is doing for me? What this default is doing for me? What this default is doing for me? If I will execute this code, it is going to print the I am default. I am default. I am default. Now, what is the use of what is the correct use of default? We understood that after 10, whatever the value will come, it is going to print. And after 10, we have the default also one cases. That is the reason it is printing. I am agree with that. No problem. This is the simple. Only thing is that instead of case, I have made it default. Correct. No problem. Now, what is the use of this default? Why I need default? Why I need default? Here I will passing 100. X equal to I am passing it 100. X equal to I am passing it 100. I can pass, right? I am integer. I can pass it. Now this 100 came here, did not match, no output. It came here, did not match, no output. It came here, did not match, no output. So if none of the cases is got matched, if none of the cases is got matched, then default value is only getting printed. If I will execute now, my output will be only I am default. My output will be only I am default. If I will run this code, I am default. Means if any of the case did not match, that times the default execution will happen. If I will ask you, if I will ask you, please listen carefully. If I will ask you, wait. If I will ask you, is this default? Is this, see, the question again repeating again. If none of the case match, then default will execute. If none of the case match, then default will execute. Clear? If case match, suppose that I'm just deleting, I'm just giving the 1. If case match, then also default will execute. Means if I will run now, it will give 1, 2, 10, I am default. 1, 2, 10, I am default. Because case match is here. If I will execute this one, 1, 2, 10, I am default. Good. Now, my question is, please listen my question very carefully. Is default always execute? Yes or no? Is default always execute? Yes or no? Please write your answer. Is default always execute? Type yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Is default always execute? Type yes, no, yes, no. Is default always execute? Yes, no. Everyone is saying yes, yes, no, yes, 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 yes. My question was, is default always execute? Someone said yes, someone said no, someone said yes, someone said no. But anyway, whatever you said, that is correct only. If you said yes, that is also correct. If you say no, that is also correct. How? In this example, default is always executing. That's the reason you are telling default will always execute. But possibility that I will put it here break. Possibility that I will put it here break. Okay? Possibility that I will put it here break. Now what will happen is, it match with the 1, it will print 1. It match with the 2, it will print 2. It match with the 10. It match with the 1. So after below 1, everything is getting printed. But as soon as control will come into the break condition, it is coming out of that. Hence default is not getting printed. So if someone will ask you, who is someone? Interviewer. If they will ask, is default will execute always? You say no. If break statement or the code is getting terminated, if break statement is available before default, the default is not going to execute. If I will cut this break from here and if I will put it here, okay, then also same. So if break keywords is there in case statement, then default will not execute always. If break is not there, then default will execute. Clear, not clear? Clear, not clear? Clear, not clear? This is the important question. Clear, not clear? Clear, not clear? Okay, good. Very good. Coming to the PPT now, closing the chat, okay? Coming to the PPT now, we learn the switch all the possible, switch case. So if you come here, what we learn? We learn the break, right? We will learn continue, don't worry. Okay. Now, okay, let's learn continue now. Not to worry. New class switch example with continue. Okay. You are now host. I don't know. Okay, might be the other one is getting disconnected. Now, what I am trying to do here, what is this one for? Continue. Okay. Int x equal to 10, case, no case, switch x case 1, I am 1, case 10, case 11, I am 11, default, I am default, okay. Now if I will run, I will get 10, 11, I am default. 10, 11, I am default. No problem with that. What I will do, 10, I am just putting here break. I will get 10. Fine. Now I am doing here oh sorry, I was trying to tell you once again. And sorry, I was trying to tell you continue in do while loop, not here. Sorry. Why I have written switch? Once again, why I came for continue? I should be coming for while loop, right? If else I have completed, switch completed, then I should go for while. Switch I have completed, break and break, right? While. So we'll come to the continue in while loop. Okay, it will most suit on while loop only. Don't worry. Now, new class. What I was saying, while example, while example. for while, see, for switch and all those thing, and if else was the, switch if else was the conditional statement. While condition we will use, suppose that we want to iterate something. We want to iterate means we want to get the data from something. Like we have till now only we have learned array, right? We learn array, but apart from array there is many API called collection that we are going to will learn later. This is a more advanced topic we'll learn. But now we are only talking about the array. Only talking about the array. Array, what we are doing is that in array we are creating the array for the fixed size, and we are giving the value, or we are saving the value as a continuous value, means homogeneous value, similar type of value, right? But when we want to iterate the value from array, yesterday what I was doing is that I was just printing the value, something like that, and then I was saying in the print I was taking the array object and I was printing only 0, right? And then next time I was simply copying this one, and then I was printing 1, right? 0 1 2. But when I was printing the array, entirely array, that times we were getting some output like I at the rate some number 1 2 3 4, some number, something, right? We say that this is a hash code, something like, right? Yeah. But technically, moving forward, we are not able to print the entire data of the array in one shot. We are able to print while passing the index. Means I want the data from the 0th index, I want the data from first index, I want the data from second index, something like that. But we are not able to print the entire array. We are not able to print the entire array, right? So to print this one, there is three loops, three things came. One is while, okay, and it's a do while, and another one is the for loop. For loop, and another one is that for loop only. These three things came. Now among these three things, which one perfectly fit to retrieve the data from array? Only thing is that for loop will for each no. For each different thing. For each for collections. We'll tell, okay, I am not going to for each now. So for loop is perfectly fitting to print the array. Then why not while or do while? Why not while and do while? Why? While and do while is also will do the same. While and do while will also do the same. But when the size is not known for me, means when I am printing the array, I know what is the size of array. But when I want to print something, for them I don't know size. For them I don't know size. That times we will go for while and do while. Don't worry, we will understanding by coding only. Okay. What I am trying to say, I am just saying int a equal to 10. Okay. A equal to 10. Int b equal to 20. Okay. And I am saying while a is less than b, while a is less than b, print hello, or out of that you print hi. What will happen here is, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, this condition true, okay, then it will print this one. But when the compiler will come here, compiler will say, I did not understand this statement at all. I did not understand this statement at all. Okay. I did not understand this statement at all because there is no meaning for this statement. Now I am just commenting this one. and I'm increasing a equal to a plus 1. Okay, simple one. Now I want to run this code. If I will execute this code, I am getting hello printed. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Why 10 times? What will happen? A value is A value is 10. 10 is less than 20. 10 is less than 20. Fine. It print this one. Now once the control come here, A value becomes 11. A value becomes 11. Now again this while loop asks them to check the condition. 11 is less than 20. True. Yes. Then it print this one. Now again came here. What is 11? Now the value becomes 12. 12 value is less than 20. Yes. Print this one. Again came here. It becomes 13. Then same 14. It print until A becomes 20. Right? A becomes 19. A becomes 19 is less than 20. 19 is less than 20. It print this one. Now A becomes A equal to 20. Now 20 is less than 20. No. It becomes false. Condition false. Condition false. Then it is not printing anything. Then it is not printing anything. Repeating again, let me have some small value. I am just taking here 5 and I am just taking here 8. Okay, a smaller value. Removing this one. 5 is less than 8. True. 5 is less than 8. True. Print 1 times. And then 5 value becomes increased to 1. It becomes 6. 5 equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Good. 6 is less than 8. Yes. Print this one. Now it becomes 7. 7 is less than 8. Print this one. Now when 8 is less than 8, no, then don't print. Then how many times hello is getting printed? For 5 1, for 6 1, for 7 1. Hello is getting printed only 3 times. If I will execute this one, hello is getting printed 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now if I will change here 8 and here I will change 5. Now what is happening is 8 is less than 5. No, 8 is not less than 5. That is the reason it will not come in, it will come out of the, it will come out of the, it will come out of the while loop and it is not going to print anything. No print. Now I am asking, once you come out of that, print high. Once you come out of that, print high for me. Once come out of that, print high for me. Once come out of that, print high for me. Even though if I will write now 5 and if I will write here 7, for 5 one execution happen, 6 one execution happen, 7 no execution happen, right? So it will print 2 times hello, 1 times high. 2 times hello, 1 times high. Repeating again, a equal to 5, b equal to 7, 5 is less than 7, correct? It print hello. Now 5 value becomes 6 here. 5 value becomes 6 here. 6 is less than 7, print hello. Printed. Now a value becomes 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is less than 7? No. Come out of while loop, come out of while loop and print this one. And I am saying hi. Now I am opening chat. Please ask if you have any questions on while loop. Please ask if you have any questions in while loop. Clear? Everyone say please. Everyone say clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Repeat once. Correct. I will repeat it. Say clear, not clear. Repeat clear, not clear. Please, everyone. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Everyone, please. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Everyone, please. Clear, not clear. Can we pass any case through if a statement? Yes, you can pass. Okay, repeating again. Repeating again. Repeating again. I am only explaining this one. I am only explaining this one. Okay. I will go with a different scenario. Don't worry. Okay. A equal to 5. B equal to 7. A is less than B. True. A is less than B. True. A is less than B. True. It printed this one. First iteration. It printed this one. It printed this one. Second, A equal to 6. It increased by 1. 6 is less than 7. 6 is less than 7. It print this one. 6 is less than 7. It print this one. 6 is less than. It print this one. Now 6 value becomes 7. 7 is not less than 7. It came out of that and it is printing this one. That's reason this one. Now I will just put something called here. I am printing 0 and I am printing 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. Okay. 0, 5. 0, 5. Don't ask. Okay. 0, 5. What will happen here? A value is 0. A value is 0. 0 is less than 5. It will print hello. How many times? 1 times. Then A value becomes 1. 1 is less than 5. It prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 0 to 4. 0 to 4 it will print 5 times. And last one is high. 1, 2, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high. Clear? Someone is asking A equal to 4. I don't know why you're asking A equal to 4 and then we're asking B equal to 3. A equal to 4 and B equal to 3. Why you are asking? First condition itself not met. First condition itself not met. That's the reason it will not come here anyway. It will print only high for you. That's all. As it is, as it is. Infinite loop and all those things are different. I will explain you. Don't worry. Till now, any question? Please, everyone say yes, no, yes, no. Please say yes, clear, 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 clear. Please, everyone say yes, clear. I will ask multiple questions now. Don't worry. You know how I am explaining things. Okay, clear. Good. Thank you. Coming to the notes now. Now it's time to ask the question, right? We will go with the different scenario. If something is confused you, we will get clear. Don't worry. Please see my screen clearly and don't type anything now. I'm just giving the boundary on chat. Okay. Here what I'm saying is WHILE while true print. Print means system dot out dot println. Okay. Tell me the output. Tell me the output, please. Tell me the output, please. Okay. So what I am doing is, while true system.out.println I am true. If I will execute this one, it will go on, go on, go on. You see, right? It is not even stopping. You see, right? It is going on. So this is called infinite loop. Now how to stop? I need to kill this process. This red button you are seeing, right? Terminate. Otherwise it will not stop. So what this meaning is? Please understand infinite loop to okay, we understand infinite loop. But what do you mean infinite loop? I am saying while true, while true, while true, and then I am printing this one. If at all I will say false, then it is giving error. Then it is giving error. But when I was saying while true, it was not giving error. Remember, right? Yesterday I was telling you something in if and else condition. Please remember. Please listen me carefully. Yesterday I was telling you in if and else condition, right? In if condition, if you say a equal to true something, and if you say if true something like that, both means same. By default, the condition is true only, boolean only, right? By default, something like that. Yesterday I was we did something like that, right? So so by default inside the if it was true. The same condition for while also by default it is inside true only. So while true print, while true print, while true print, while true print. This true is not getting false anywhere. This true is not getting false anywhere. That is the reason for each true it is executing. And for each true it is executing and true is not getting false. True is not getting false. That's the reason the loop becomes infinite. That is the reason rule becomes infinite. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Okay. Please everyone respond me back. Clear, not clear. Next question is on top of that only. Next question is on top of that only. While true. While true. Int x equal to 10. Output equal to. Tell me the output. This one. Please tell me the output. Please tell me the output. What is the output? Please tell me the output. Please tell me the output. Everyone, please. Everyone, please. I want everyone. Okay. This will give you the error. As simple as it is. This is going to give the error. Because what you are trying to do here is, what you are trying to do here, while is true, fine, means we are not making false, correct, no problem with that. But what will happening here is you are declaring something, and declaration only will happen when you do the curly braces. Declaration will always happen in between this one, right? In between this one. Without curly braces, you cannot declare anything, correct, right? And here I am trying to declare. That's the reason it is giving error. Clear? Now, if I will add the curly braces here, it is not going to give me the error anyway. It is not going to give me the error anyway. But why here it is giving? So wait. Oh, okay. Let me comment this code. See, no error, right? No error. Because I have declared this value within a bracket, within a quote. Correct? No, I have not forgot to type curly braces. It was intentional. Good, right? Now, the another condition I want to make it here. Let me see how big this one. Okay, smaller. Fine. Now, what I wanted to do. Next, what I have to do. While false let me create different class because in that class we have made write many things. So many is duplicate variable. While example 2. This is the fresh one. While false hello and then hi. Please give me the output for this one. Please give me the output for this one. Please see the bracket carefully. I have deleted and there was one mistake on cam. Please give me the output for this one. Hi, okay. Hello, hi. Hello. Okay, hello is here, right? Okay, hello, hi. Hello, hi. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, this is the false condition. Why? This is the false. It will give the error. Just hover the mouse here only. You say it will give. You see that? You are able to see that unreachable code, unreachable code, unreachable code, unreachable code. What do you mean by unreachable code? I will tell you. Unreachable code means. See, read this code very carefully. Read this code very carefully. You are saying while false means you are very sure that there is no chance that this value will become true. There is no chance that this value is going to become true. That's the reason we are hard coding it as a false, right? False. Now you are while false, then why you are printing this one? While false, why you are printing this one? That is the reason if you print here true, error is different. For this line error will come, not for this line. Here only you are putting the false, and then why should I go and read this code. If you are writing it here itself false, then why should I go and read this code? There is no point for me to read it, right? Until unless this is not the true, I will not go in. I will not go inside. You are making it here false, and then you are asking me to go inside. How it is possible? How it is possible? You are actually locking your door and asking me to enter inside the door. It is not possible, right? Very clear. You understand my statement. You are making it false means there is no chance that you will make it true. You are making it false. You are locking your door and asking me to go inside the room. How it is possible? I will not be able to go, right? So this is again one example. Interview questions. Okay. So far, any questions? Please say yes, no, yes, no. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Please say. Screen stuck. No, no. Now string is okay. My screen is not stuck. Okay. If I'll use true, I mean this example is not for true. This example is that simple. I'm making my door close and I want to enter in my house. That's all this example is all about. You can try with the true and false, but my motto is this one only. Now everyone is clear, right? No, what is output? Error. No output. Error only. We'll use 0 and 1 is not applicable here. 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is if you put it becomes integer. That's all. If you put 0 and 1, it becomes integer. Okay, now we'll do while example. Do while example. Okay, let me confirm from you. I see many chats, but still let me confirm. If you ping right, I will get confused that you are asking me something. Please say yes, no. Are you clear or not? So far clear, or do you have any question? Please ask. So far, are you clear or not? If you type in chat, I will get confused that you are asking me something. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Okay, okay. Everyone is clear. Okay. Moving to the next things called do while. See, just very English. While means we want to do something. Okay, if I will come for while example, right? Not this example. Okay, for while means what we are doing. A is less than B, then do something. A is less than B, do something. A is less than B, do something. A is less than B, do something. Right? Do while means very simple. Do while means do something, do something, and then go. Do something, then go. Do something, then go. While means check the condition. If true, then go. Check the condition. If true, then go. While means one iteration you do without checking condition. One iteration you do without checking condition, and then you check condition. I don't care. Okay? But now I will explain you through code. Don't worry. I will explain you through code. Last example was one of the easiest example. I don't know why you are getting confused. While false means I am locking my door. I am asking you to enter in my house. Is it possible? You cannot enter. So this statement is wrong. This code itself, what I have written, is wrong. So output is error. Output is error. Output is error. That's all. Output is error. If I see, there is compiler error. If I will run like that, see, output you are seeing right red line, right? If I will run this code, What you will see? You see error only. You see error only, right? Error only. No output. Okay, moving out. Now for do while means check the condition, do the operation. Check the condition, do the operation. Do while means before checking the condition, please do one operation for me. Before checking the condition, please do one operation for me. Before checking the condition, please do one operation for me. Simple as it is. Okay. So I'm saying int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, do 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 something. What something? SYSO I am do something, and then check condition while if a is greater than b, then print I high, then print high. That's all. First I am deleting this line, otherwise you will get confused. Now let me delete, otherwise you will get like that. Int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, do means I am do I am do. Okay, check condition while a is greater than b, while a is greater than b. 10 is greater than b. No, 10 is not greater than b. 10 is not greater than b. If I will execute this code, my output will be I am do. Execute it. What happened? You see here. Okay, one second. Why it went there? Okay. Okay. Output is I am do, because this condition is false. This condition is false. If I will just let me remove this one, it smaller one, 1 and 2, right? Now a equal to 1, b equal to 2, a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Print this one. Now come here and check. A is greater than b. A is greater than b. A is not greater than b. A is not greater than b, because a is 1, b is 2. If I will run this code, I will get I am do, right? If I will put it here 10, what will happen? Do print this one. Come here. A is greater than b. 10 is greater than 2. Yes. 10 is greater than 2. Yes. Then again print this one. If I will click now, it will print 2 times. Okay. Wait. Let me stop this one. Now what is happening is A equal to 10, B equal to 2. Print this one. Good. I am printing this. Now I came here. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Yes. Print this one. Now I came here. A is still greater than B. Print this one. Okay. Now A is always greater than B, because I am not decreasing the value of A. Hence it is getting printed always. What I will do now, A equal to A minus 1. Simple. A equal to A minus 1. A equal to A minus 1. Let me clear this one. A equal to A minus 1. Earlier A value was 10. 10 is greater than 2, correct? Now the loop is, once the A value is decreased with the 2, the loop is getting terminated. If I'll execute now, it is printing that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I wanted to tell you one thing. A is less than B. A is less than B. A equal to 2. B equal to A equal to 4. B equal to 2. 4, 2. And then what I am doing? Equal to A minus 1. First value is 4. Put greater than only. A equal to 4. 4 is greater than 2. Okay. Now listen, see this example again. Okay. A equal to 4. A equal to 4. Right? Now 4 minus 1, 3. So it print this. It print this. One second. I am writing here. One second. I am writing what, right? I am writing here. Okay. Output. Okay. It will print A equal to 4, B equal to 2. No condition check. It print I am do. No condition check. It print I am do. Good. Now A equal to A becomes, A value becomes 3. A value becomes 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. So it will print, first it will come here, it print this one. Second time when A equal to 3, A equal to 3, 3 is greater than 2, it print this one. Now 3 minus 1, 2, it will not print this one. If I will execute this one, it will print only 2 times I am do. You see that? I also given 2 times only I am do. 1 times is the default. This I am do is default. This I am do is default. And this one is with condition check. This one with this condition check. How I got to know this is the default? How I got to know default? Because do means default. We know do means default, but we need to prove, right, this is the default. So I'm commenting this one. I'm commenting this one, repeating again. What I did, A value I am putting 1. 1. A value I am putting 1. A value I am putting 1. 1 is greater than 2. 1 is greater than 2. No, 1 is not greater than 2. Then this condition is false. If this condition is false, then this should not be printed, right? But it will print. If I will execute now, it will print 1 times. Because before checking the condition itself, I am asking to execute. Before checking the condition itself, I am asking to execute. Condition is false here. Condition is false here, but still it will print this line. Let me run. I am do. Now please tell me clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Yeah, we'll do the break. This is last concept. Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Do means by default it will do one task. No matter your condition is true or false. Your condition is true or false. It will do the task. This is for sure. you want to taste the food. You want to taste the food. Before tasting the food, you cannot say your food is tasty or not. For that, at least you need to taste one times. If food is good, then you start eating. If food is not good, you will not eat it. But you will taste it. So default is at least you will do one task by default. You will taste your food, which is this one. Do. Do means you will do one task no matter your condition is true or false. You will taste your food at least one times no matter to food is tasty or not. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, please say. Clear, not clear. This is the important one. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Clear, not clear. Okay, good. So now we'll go for break. Okay. We have left with the for. For each we'll learn when we'll learn the collections. Okay. Don't worry. While we learn, do while we'll learn for. For loop we'll learn after break. Now 9. When we back 15 minutes, right? 10 o'clock. 05 PM IST. We'll back 10:05. We'll have 15 minutes break. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. This is the most, yeah, thank you. Closing the chat now. Let me put my laptop in charge first. Okay, so this is again one of the most important concept. This one, for loop. This is the most frequently used loop to iterate the data. To iterate the data. Okay, like we have learned till now, we have learned only one data structure where we are saving the data is array. But for now, we are going to learn for loop also, and with the help of for loop, we are going to pull the data from array. So this is the important one. Please understand very clearly. This is the theoretical part. Anyway, we are going to understand through coding only. Okay. If you see here, you have the for open bracket, close bracket, then open braces, close braces. Whatever you are seeing are now host of this training. Audio gone or not? Audible or not? Please say I'm audible or not. Okay, I think by mistaken it got clicked on mute. Okay. Now, if you see here, we have the for loop. In the for loop, within this bracket, whatever you are seeing, these are all is the conditional things, condition. Okay. An operation we are doing in body section, which is in between curly braces. In between curly braces. Okay. You see that curly braces opening here, curly braces closing here. Now, how to understand the conditional statement? The condition. To write the for loop, we will be having total 3 parts. The for loop condition is divided into the 3 parts. You see, right? I have divided into the 3 colors. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. First color what you are seeing, the initial section. Here we are initializing the variable. Here we are initializing the variable. Second section, what is this? This is the conditional expression. Here we are checking the condition. Here we are checking the condition. Third and last, here we are incrementing the variable or decrementing the variable. And this depends upon, these are all conditions. We are writing logic in body section. Now how the execution or how the flow will happen here? Flow is, first task is the variable will get initialized. Variable will get initialized. First task. Second task, the condition is also get checked. Second task, condition is also get checked. If condition is true, correct, then it will come to the body, and the body, whatever code we have written in body, that will execute. Once this code execution done, then it will go to the fourth. And then if we are incrementing the variable or we are decrementing the variable, depends upon that it will perform here. Once increment or decrement done, then it will again come to the conditional statement. And it will check still condition is true or not. Condition is true, then it will come to the perform the task here, which is the 6th number. Again it will go to the increment decrement. Either increment or decrement operation will happen. Then again from here to here it will go 8 number and do the conditional check. If condition is true, it will go to the 9. So this condition will keep going until unless your condition becomes false, this loop will not terminate. Okay, we'll directly coming to the Eclipse. Let me comment this one. Right click, new class, for loop example. Here what I am doing is I am saying for int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. And then I am in for loop. What is happening here is, you see there are 3 sections. Each section is get separated by the semicolon. From here to here, section 1. From here to here, section 2. From here to here, section 3. And this is your body. Coming to the PPT again. Coming to the PPT again. 1 second. Let me arrange like that. Okay, hope you are able to see the 2 screen correctly. Okay. Now you see, int I equal to 0 is called the initial section or initialization section. I is less than 5 is the conditional expression, which is in green color. I plus plus is increment or decrement, which is in red color. And then one second. Okay. And then system.out.println is the body. I'm just printing, that's all. I'm not doing any operation, I'm just printing it. Int I equal to 0 is the initial section, which is this one. Whereas I is less than 5 is this green color. I plus plus is the red color. And then body, which I have is system.out.println. This is the syntax. Now we are only understanding the syntax. We'll got to know how to execute this one. First time, first and last. First and last. I equal to 0 will get initialized. So now when will this code will compile at the first time, I value is 0. I value is 0. Okay, I value is 0. Now it will check if 0 is less than 5 or not. 0 is less than 5 or not. 0 is not less than 5, means condition satisfied here. It will print this one. It will print this one. Okay. Now initial one, I equal to 0, first task 1. Second task, what it did? It just check the condition. If I is less than 5, I is less than 5 is true. Then third is that it is printing this line, printed 1 times. Good. We understood now step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 4. Once this got printed successfully, I will go to the last section, and it will, here I am doing I plus plus. It means that I am incrementing I by 1. Now I value is 1. Earlier it was 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So we are done with the fourth. We are done with the fourth. Now I equal to 1 now. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. True. Then it print the again 1 times. Again it print 1 times. 1 is less than 5. True. Then it printed this one. Correct? It printed this one. Now I value is 1. Again it will go I plus plus. I value becomes 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes. It print again 1. Now I becomes again gone here. I is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is less than 5. It print 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is less than 5. True. It print 1. Now 4 plus 1, I plus plus. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 is not less than 5. 5 is not less than 5. Condition false. It came out of the for loop. How many times it print? Total 5 times. How many times it print? Total 5 times. 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me execute this code. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It executed 5 times. Repeating again. I am just putting I value is less than 4 now. Okay. I am putting I value is less than 4. Okay. I value is 0. Fine. 0 is less than 4. Obviously 0 is less than 4. 0 is less than 4. Condition true. Print this one. Printed. Now I value was 0. Now I print it, and then we need to increment the value by 1. 0 plus plus 1. Now I value is 1. 1 is less than 4. Condition is true. Print this one. Okay, printed. I value is now 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. Condition true. Print again 1. 3. Now I value is 3. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. declared one character types variable C. So in first iteration, A will come here, A will assign to the C, and C is printed here. Second iteration, B will come here, B will assign to C, and it got printed here. Third iteration, C will come, C will assign to C, print it here. Third iteration, D will come, D is assigned to C, and it got printed here. That's the reason A, B, C, D is printed here. So simple syntax: source of the data, colon, and create the variable for which type you want. You know this is the character array, so you will do the character. Same way, if you do int my int my array my int array equal to 5, 6, 1, 3, 9, 4. Now for, let me get the source data. Source data is this one. Source data I have assigned into the where? Integer, because all the data is integer only. Int anything value. That's all. And then now into the, I will start close the curly braces, and I will say SYSO, and I will print the value. Here no I, nothing, as simple as it is. If I will run now, it will print 5, 7. Okay, let me give one divider here. Easy to understand. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, now I will execute this one. 571394. 571394. Opening the chat now. Wait. Any question on for each loop? Any question on for each loop? Clear, not clear for each loop? Please say clear, not clear, clear, not clear for each loop, clear, not clear. No, no. Any other example without array? Array. Any other? Clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Anyone, everyone, please clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Few of the here nothing. This is one of the easiest one. Anyway, I will repeat it again. Okay, if someone asks the any other example without array, we learn so far array only, array data structure, right? Where we can store more than one data. Once we will learn more things, we will use there also. Okay, this code we will use many places, but this is beginning because we have learned only array. That is the reason I am only focusing on the array. Okay. Now coming out of this question, what is the for each loop? For each loop, you have the source of data. Here I have created source of data as a integer array, whereas here I have created source of data as a character array. So the syntax is I will get the source of data here, and with respect to that I have create the variable. Here I know character data is there, so I have created the char variable. Here I know integer data is there, so I have created the integer variable. If at all I will write it here char, what actually technically I am trying to do, integer value I am trying to assign into the character, which is not possible because we know typecasting. So it will be int only, right? Since this is all integer data and I am printing the data here. Very simple. No parameter, nothing. Nothing, no increment, no decrement. It everything will taken automatically. It will take everything automatically. Nothing, no increment, no decrement. It will take everything. This is the one of the edges. This for loop got introduced in Java 1.5. This got introduced in Java 1.5. Okay, Java 1.5. Clear, not clear? Please say clear, not clear for each loop. Source of the data, declare the variable for this one. That's all. Clear, not clear, please everyone. Everyone. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. Everyone, please. Please, everyone. Clear, not clear, everyone. Subham is understanding more. That's the reason he's pinging 10 to 12 times. Clear, not clear? Other also please. Other also please respond me back. Okay, good. Good. C means clear. Okay, good. I learned today. C means clear. Break we have learned. Continue we have not learned, right? One concept left is continue. Let me do this one also. See how much code we have wrote. See? Oh my God. See? 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 Coding is best way to make you understand. Theory will not help you any way to understand concept clearly. New class, what I was saying, continue. Continue example. This is again related to for loop only. For int I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, okay, and I am saying if I m percent 2 equal to 0, then sy also continue I. If I will print this one, I will get 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that. 2, 4, wait. I will get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Fine. But I will put it here. Continue. That's all. If I will put it here, continue by cut this one from here like that. This will also give me the same output 0, 4 to 6, 8. But I want continue also to become continue. Coming. I will put it here. Should give me the error. Fine. This code is not done. What I have to do? Continue how to use wait. No, continue will not work here. Let me do one more try. This is error. It will go in error only. So see, I'm not able to, these are all keywords is not frequently used, but anyway, I'm trying to explain, but I don't know how I will explain to you. I'm not able to get how I'm going to explain you, but anyway, I am trying to explain now, best way to explain you. So if I am executing this one for int I equal to 0, I is less than I plus plus, right? And if I am saying that if I equal to not 10%, because you don't know 10%, if I am saying if I is equal to 4, if I am saying I is equal to 4, for int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I equal to 4, then print I. Then you say here, I am 4. Okay. So if I will execute this code, I will get output as a I am 4. I am 4. Because what I have did, I have one for loop. In the for loop, inside the for loop, I have created one, uh, one statement saying that if I value is equal to 4, then only print this one. Only I for 4. If I is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I don't want. If I is 4, then only print this one. So this is good. No problem with this one. I is 4. No problem with this one. But what I will do, I will just cut this one. Cut this one. No. Okay, I will put it here. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will do the break here. Break we know, right? I will do the break here. I will do the break. Now, what will happen? If I equal to 4, then break it. If I equal to 4, then break it. But if I is not equal to print, and if I is not equal to 4, then print this one. So this will get printed how many times? This will get printed if, see, I will executing I equal to 0. I equal to 0, it come here, not I equal to 4, then it will come here, it will print this one times. It will print one times. Then I 10 is very big. I am giving 5 otherwise. Okay, 5. I equal to 0, I is not equal to 4. Okay, it's not equal to 3. Small I want this one. I equal to 0. Now please listen, please see my screen clearly. Okay, I got how can I explain you? Okay, I int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. This is the normal for loop from here to here. Okay, this is the normal for loop. Inside the for loop, I have created one condition saying that if I is equal to 3, then do the break. But if I is not equal to 3, then print this one. Simple, right? Now, if I is not equal to 3, then print this one. I equal to not equal to, I not equal to 3, how many times it will come? Initially, I equal to 0. Initially, I equal to 0. 0 is less than 5. Print this one. 0 is less than 5. Print this one. I have printed. I got increased by 1. Now I value is 1. 1 is less than 5. And 1 is not equal to 3. So it come here. It printed 1. Now I value is here 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. True. Come here. Print here. Now I value again becomes 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. And I equal to is 3. 3 is less than 5. And 3 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. It match. Now come inside and break it. Now you don't have to print anything. You don't have to print this one. So I will get printed only 3 times. Let me run this one. 1, 2, 3 times. Because I am doing the break here. Once I value becomes 3, I am not allowing to come here itself. I am just doing the break here. Okay. Now to avoid this one, I will comment this code. Break is just opposite to continue. 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 Okay. If I'll do the continue, what will happen? See, now it was printed 3 times only. It was printed 3 times. But since I am not breaking anything, I am saying continue, go ahead, then it will print 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So break is the breaking the execution at the same time, whereas continue is allowing you to go ahead and execute your code. Break is executing the code at the same places, whereas continue is allowing you to execute your code. Okay. Now, any question on continue? What is the continue or what? Break to we already know what is continue. Any question on continue, please? Any question on continue, please? Clear, not clear, 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 clear, not clear. Everyone is clear. I will repeat it again anyway. Break means break was stopping your execution when I value was 3. Hence, I was not able to print this one. Whereas, when I equal to 3 comes, I am not breaking. I am asking, okay, you continue your execution. I am doing here continue. Right? That's all. If you write continue, right? If I will execute this code, I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4. If at all I will comment this code also, I will get only 4 times output. 4 times, no, 1 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times, right? Because, please listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now I have commented the continue, I got 5 times. If I will uncomment this one, I will get only 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because after this continue, it is also allowing me to continue with this line. After continue, it is break was making me stop here itself. But where continue was allowing me to at least move ahead only once. Move ahead only once. Move ahead only once. Not same. Clear or not? Please tell. Clear or not? Okay. Break means break the execution. Clear means continue means continue the execution. Simple. Break means break your execution. Continue means continue your execution at least one. At most one. Continue will continue your execution at most one. Continue will continue your execution at most one. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Can you please set if value to 1? Can you please set if value 1 second? What is this questions? One questions. What is, can you please set if value to 1? Value to 1. Here you are saying asking, right? Okay. Now just think here. Value to 1. I equal to 0. I equal to 0. Okay. It came. It print this one. I equal to 0. It came. It print 1 times. Now I value becomes 1. 1 equal to 1. It went here. It went here. Continue, and then it will allow you to print only once. So now it should print 2 times. What happened? Wait. What? Oh, okay, sorry. I equal to 1, it will continue. Then again I becomes the 2, 3, 4, 5. For all it is printing. 0 to 5, okay, sorry. 4 times. 0 to 5, 4 times. 0 to 5, 4 times. Yeah. Okay, everyone. So, hope you don't have any questions now. Okay, this question came sometimes back. Okay, I just got one question. Someone pinged me. See, sometimes back, right? Someone have asked instead of integer here, right? Instead of integer, why I cannot put byt? Why I cannot put byte? Here, if I is less than 5, byte is might work, okay? But you don't know what is I value. If I value was 1000, right? At that time you will get error, right? You will get error. That is reason byte is not advisable to use. Always we are using int. This question someone asked this, I mean that times many times back. So I just got remember this one. Okay. Okay. No problem. So that's all about the today class. One second. Let me close this Eclipse. Uh, Next class is more good. Okay. Next class is more interesting. We are going to learn now object-oriented programming, class, packages. I thought to complete today only, but couldn't be able to because I need to give answer to each and everyone. I don't anyone have any question. So we will learn these are all things. Okay. But from next class, we will be having more interactive session. Okay. Now, there will be a feedback link. Let me, where I can find feedback